Want to keep your readers hooked on your WordPress site long after they finish reading your latest article? Today, we're diving into how to automatically add engaging related posts right after your content, which is a fantastic way to boost user experience and drive more traffic to your blog by suggesting relevant articles. First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard from the left-hand menu. Click on Plugins, and then select Add New. This is where we'll find a plugin to do the heavy lifting for us. In the search bar, type in related posts. You'll see a variety of options populate for this tutorial. We'll be using a popular and reliable plugin. Look for one with a good number of active installations and positive reviews. Once you find a suitable plugin, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Give that a click to bring the plugin to life on your website. Now that the plugin is activated, you might need to configure its settings. Most related posts plugins will have their own menu item in the WordPress dashboard, often under Settings or as a standalone item. Let's navigate there. On the plugin's settings page, you'll typically find options to customize how related posts are displayed. You can often control the number of posts shown, the criteria used to determine relatedness, like by category, tags, or even custom fields, and sometimes even the styling to match your theme. Take a moment to explore these options. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, save them now. If you visit any of your blog posts on the front end of your website, you should see a section displaying other relevant articles. This instantly gives your readers more content to explore without them having to navigate away. By adding these automatically generated related post suggestions, you're not only enriching your readers' journey but also increasing the time they spend on your site and encouraging them to discover more of your valuable content. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost engagement and keep visitors coming back for more.